Hi, we are students from Harmony Science Academy, and we did the floating light demonstration for our PBL.
The floating light demonstration is a procedure to figure out what causes different cans of soda to either float or sink in water. The answer to this question is density. The cans of diet soda have less density than water, and therefore they float, and the regular sodas sink because they have a higher density than water. The explanation for why the different cans of soda have different densities is because the diet soda substitutes sugar for artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners used in diet sodas are less than the number of sugars used in regular sodas, causing the difference of whether the cans float or sink.
Throughout our PBL, we recorded our process throughout the project. This includes some of the complications that were encountered, like using a watering tank that was not deep enough. In these recordings, we recorded a thought process that my partner Michael and I came up with, since we decided the diet sodas will float and the regular sodas will sink.
For our social study component in the story of a Greek mathematician named Archimedes who lived around 250 BC, the king of Syracuse thought that he was being cheated by the metal craftsman who made his golden crown. The king called Archimedes and told him to find out if he was being cheated. Archimedes placed the craftsman crown and a pure gold crown of the same mass in 2 tubs of water. He found that more water spilled over the sides when the craftsman crown was submerged. If an object is less dense than the liquid in which it is placed, it will float on the liquid. If it is denser than the liquid, it will sink.
The reason why we chose the journal option is because it's easier for us to document and describe the whole demonstration while finding the background reasoning of this. Not only this, but observations are the most important thing throughout the whole demonstration, as it's more visualized. With this in mind, every once in a while, we recorded information that we thought was important to excel in this project. For instance, one of the journal entries we wrote about is the complication of us not having somewhere to do the demonstration. Thus, we worked with what we had. Not only this, but with the journal entries, we had the chance to find the project more interesting and take it to another level by researching more on the topic if diet sodas are actually healthy. The ELA journal entries made us think outside the box and essentially add more knowledge to us.
Thanks for watching Harmony Science Academy.